Get ready to witness the most insane snow removal machines in action, operating at a level that seems almost unreal. And what makes this even crazier is that every second you watch, the scale and power keep escalating. This video showcases equipment that tackles massive snowfalls with incredible power and precision, and once you see how effortlessly they move mountains of snow, it's hard to look away. From high-speed airport sweepers to compact plows handling tight spaces, you'll see how advanced engineering, raw strength, and smart technology work together to clear runways, roads, and ski slopes faster than ever, often in ways that feel almost impossible. These machines handle snow depths that would stop ordinary equipment cold, demonstrating unmatched efficiency, speed, and versatility that most people never get to see up close. Every operation shows how modern snow removal reaches extreme performance, transforming winter chaos into safe, clear surfaces in minutes. And the deeper you get into this video, the more unbelievable the machines and their capabilities become, making it one you won't want to stop watching until the very end. Prinoth Lightwolf. Prinoth Lightwolf is a true heavyweight in the world of snow removal machines. This is not ordinary equipment, it's a professional-grade machine built to perform where extreme winter conditions shut everything else down. Used in ski resorts, mountain passes, and high-altitude zones, the Lightwolf is designed for non-stop snow clearing with absolute control. Its high-power engine delivers exceptional torque, allowing it to push and remove dense, heavy snow without slowing down. The advanced traction system provides maximum grip on icy and uneven surfaces, giving operators complete confidence in harsh environments. With its reinforced blade, rugged build quality, and precision control system, this machine is made for long working hours in freezing temperatures. Prinoth Lightwolf stands for power, reliability, and durability, making it one of the most trusted snow removal machines in the world. Overacen NLR Relax. Overacen NLR Relax is a modern snow removal machine designed for efficiency, comfort, and precision in harsh winter conditions. This machine is built for professional snow clearing on roads, pathways, and commercial areas where speed and control matter the most. What makes the NLR Relax stand out is its smooth operation and operator-friendly design, allowing long working hours without fatigue. It features a powerful and fuel-efficient engine that easily handles fresh and compact snow, while its advanced traction system ensures stable movement on slippery and icy surfaces. The adjustable snow clearing system provides clean and consistent results, even in tight or sensitive areas. With its durable construction, smart controls, and reliable performance in extreme cold, the Overacen NLR Relax offers a perfect balance between power and comfort. It's a dependable solution for modern snow removal, efficient, controlled, and built for real-world winter challenges. RPM Tech MPC 750. The RPM Tech MP C750 is a powerhouse in the world of snow removal. Engineered for both performance and reliability, this machine excels in tackling heavy snow in commercial zones, parking lots, and challenging terrains. Its high-capacity engine delivers unmatched torque, allowing it to push through deep, compacted snow effortlessly. The advanced traction and stability system ensures precise control on icy or uneven surfaces, giving operators confidence in the toughest conditions. What sets the MPC 750 apart is its durable build and intuitive controls, making long shifts less tiring while maintaining maximum efficiency. With a versatile snow clearing mechanism and smart design, it handles large areas quickly and effectively. The RPM Tech MPC 750 is not just a machine. It's a dependable companion for professionals, combining raw power, precision, and endurance to keep winter operations smooth and uninterrupted. EB Schmidt Biohack. The EB Schmidt Biohack is a top-tier snow removal machine built for precision, reliability, and efficiency in extreme winter conditions. Designed for professional use, it is ideal for roads, airports, ski resorts, and commercial areas where consistent snow clearing is critical. Equipped with a powerful engine and advanced traction system, the Biohack glides over icy and uneven terrain, delivering smooth and controlled performance. Its ergonomic cabin and intuitive controls reduce operator fatigue, allowing long hours of efficient work. The reinforced snow blades and adjustable clearing system ensure every pass is clean and effective, even in heavy snowfall. Durable, versatile, and built to last, the E.B. Schmidt Balehack combines power, control, and comfort, making it one of the most trusted machines for winter operations worldwide. Prinoth Bison. The Prinoth Bison is a true titan in professional snow removal. Engineered for extreme winter environments, this machine dominates ski resorts, mountain roads, and large commercial areas where only the toughest equipment can operate. Its powerful engine delivers exceptional torque, allowing it to cut through deep, compacted snow effortlessly. The advanced traction system ensures maximum stability on icy slopes and uneven surfaces, giving operators full control in the harshest conditions. With reinforced snow blades, high-capacity clearing systems, and an ergonomic cabin, the Bison 5 makes long working hours efficient and fatigue-free. Durable, reliable, and built for performance, the Prinoth Bison 5 isn't just a snow removal machine. It's a professional's most trusted companion for keeping winter environments safe, clear, and fully operational.